Welcome to my channel. LBE, Learn Basic Education. There are 8 parts of speech in the English language. The parts of speech tell us how the word functions in meaning as well its use in grammar. Understanding them is essential to deliver the right message. A noun is a word for a person, place, thing or idea. Like boy, Dubai, book, bus, etc. A pronoun is a word that takes place of a noun. A pronoun is used to substitute for a specific noun which is called the antecedent. Like he, she, I, we, they, us, etc. A verb tells what action someone or something is doing. It also expresses state of being. Action, walk, run, swim, jump, sing, etc. State of being is, am, was, are. An adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. It usually answers the question of how many, what kind, or which one. For example, strong, big, less, few, purple, beautiful, etc. An adverb is a word that describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. It usually answers the question of when, where, how, why, under what conditions, or to what degree. Like perfectly, quickly, sweetly, completely, etc. A preposition relates a noun or a pronoun to another word in the sentence. It is usually placed before a noun or pronoun to form a phrase modifying another word in the sentence. Like by, with, about, until, during, across, etc. A conjunction joins words, phrases, or clauses. It indicates the relationship between the elements joined. Like and, but, or, while, because, etc. An interjection is a word that expresses an emotion or strong feelings. It is often followed by an exclamation point. Like, hurrah! Alas! Wow! Oops! Etc. Thank you for listening. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.